Hello everyone, today I brought prepositions for you. So read the following sentences. Will go by bus, will go on the 10:30 bus. So you could see in first one I have used by bus, while in second one I have used on the 10:30 bus. And grammatically both are correct. So what is the difference? How they both are correct and what is the reason behind it? So if you want to learn that, you have to stay with me till the end of this video. And if you learn something new today, don't forget to like this video. First of all, see here the definition, which is preposition. Pre plus position, that is called preposition. They are placed basically before a noun or a pronoun to show relation, direction or position. Fine. In today's video, we'll cover how to use prepositions with means of transport. So rule number 1 says we use by plus noun when we talk about means of transport. We do not use the or an before the noun. Means if we just want to use by train, by bus, so we never use like by a train. You can see here the examples. We traveled by train, that is the correct one. But if I write we traveled by a train, so that will be incorrect. So by then noun, whatever the transport we are using, the mean of transport we are using, we're just going to place that with by. There will be no article. If we write by a train, by the train, so that will be incorrect. I hope you got the rule. Other examples also like by bicycle, by car, by taxi, by bus, by air or by sea. Simply we have to write by, then mean of transport. Fine. I hope you got this. Next rule. Rule 2 says we do not place by when the reference is to a specific bicycle, car or train etc. Means if अगर हम किसी पर्टिकुलर बाइक और किसी पर्टिकुलर कार की बात कर रहे हैं, so we do not use by. Instead we use in or on accordingly. You can see here, so मैं मेरी बाइक की बात कर रही हूँ. He went there on my bike. Next one, they came in a taxi. So हम किसी particular taxi की बात कर रहे हैं, so in a taxi. So I have not used here by a taxi because we are just using we are talking about a specific taxi, right? And next one, I will go on 7:30 bus. So एक particular bus की बात कर रहे हैं, that is 7:30 bus. So I have used on. So that's the difference कि where to use by and where to use in or on. अगर हम normally किसी भी mean of transport की बात कर रहे हैं तो simply by then mean of transport. जैसे मैं normally दिल्ली जाती हूँ तो ट्रेन से जाती हूँ, so I go Delhi by train. लेकिन इस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेन की मैं बात कर रही हूँ कि द 10:30 ट्रेन, so then I'm going to use on. I hope you got the rule. Next rule is अगर हमें बोलना है पैदल, so we say on foot, not by foot. Fine. Here are two sentences. He goes to the office on foot. If I write he goes to the office by foot, so that will be incorrect. So that's all about means of transport, use of preposition. I hope you got all. Thanks for watching.